Hi guys, this is Vanji from Mama Ann's Corner. I'm sharing with you right now is some few of my projects. I have to share this because I'm going to give this to some friends and people already, and so that's why I want to share this so that I can have remembrance from what I've been doing. So the first thing that I want to share to you is this one, and I have to be fast because there's few of them. And for those who have known me, I always make a kind of booklet kind of card. It's like a booklet kind of card. Most especially, it's usually 6 pages in there. And the reason why I do this for those who doesn't know is because I want allow people would sign in it so that when the celebrants be able to receive this one, at least he would be inspired, encouraged by just reading all those greetings and encouragement. So far, I did it for so many times already, and I'm just so happy seeing people that are happy receiving this kind of card. So let's go and explore what's really in there. So that's why I'm showing this so that I can remember what I've been doing, and whatever in my mind, I'll just design whatever in there. But usually my card, it will always start some sayings here. It's like a quotations or a Bible verse that I would put in there. So this one of the designs that you can see in there, there's flowers. Usually I put flowers because it can really add the beauty in there. So it says, and some words, it says hello, and there's also here it says lovely in every way. Another one is hello, and you can see um the front. I just put some butterfly since there's already a flower design in there, and put a word happy birthday, and this one is for the name of the celebrant, so I just put a space in there. And the next page, as you can see, there's some flowers also, and says good things are going to happen. And here another one, don't even think about giving up, and says here life is a celebration. So can you imagine every time she flipped through, and she can see, or he can see, the beautiful designs here and some words that can really lift her up or encourage her during the day. You'll never know that words can be the one that is the one that she really needed for that a certain time, because I've experienced that already. The one that I gave, she really are so thankful because um, the words that in the cards is what exactly what she needed during that day. So that's why I'll just give whatever in there. I just design it already. So this one of the designs. There's some balloons and gifts, and here it's like a track, and says here, when life gives you lemons, start making lemonade. So that's one thing. It says here, with coffee and grace, and those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. So you can see that there's some also scripture there in this one here. Change your thoughts, and you change your world. So that's what it is. So I don't know, it's one of those, and the other one is this one, and this is the design in the front, and this one is the space for the name. And I just put I decorate anything, just anything in my mind. So I put some washi in a tag here that says happy birthday, surprise, and for you, this is party. And again, there's some words in here. Do not follow where the path may lead, go instead where there is no path, and leave a trail. So inspiring, right? So another design in here says believe, and you can notice that most of the design that I put is, I put a mat here, and you can see there's a red background. I find it more prettier, so that's why you can see even here I put black in there, so it would be more attractive. So that's what I added in my decoration, these new ones. So you can see there's another flower, and there's some words also like faithful, and some notes where people can sign in it. It says you're sweet, love this life, relax. And this one, look at that, it's so pretty to look at, guys. Feeling good, follow your heart. It's so colorful. So That's why the celebrants would be enjoying reading these things, because it's colorful and there's some words and some encouraging encouragement or greetings from other friends. So he would be full of um, I believe he or she will be happy receiving these cards. It's dream life, and you can see it's very pretty in there. There's some another words here. It says, may your choices reflect your hopes, not your fears. So I really intended putting some words in there because these words are so powerful. It can really change the thoughts in the hearts of a person and can really inspire them. So that's one of those. And another one is this one. Is the celebrate, happy birthday. And again, this is the space where the name, I will put the name. And another words in here says, our greatest glory is not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. So it's a reminder and encouragement as well for us. Reading those words would really remind us that if we fall, we have to rise again. And again, there's another note here and some designs. It's a new day. So whatever in my mind, I just design it there. So celebrate good times. And says here, the best is yet to come. There's some notes where other people can sign. And here, do what your heart tells you. And smile. There's some donut in there. So it's so colorful. And here it says here, hep hep hooray, life is a party. So even the chicken, I'll just put in there. It can add beauty there. So another one is living life to the fullest. And you can see that I matte the one here with red, so it would pop up more the design. Just imagine if there's no red in there, so that means it can add beauty. So here I also have this one matte with black color, and so it's more pretty to look at. It says you're wonderful. Even though the paper that I use I have already designed, I still design it with some other things. So another one is life's a bowl of cherries. So that's one of that's the design here. Another word series is once you choose hope, anything's possible. So that's one of those card. Another card is this one, celebrate, make a wish, and a big cake in here. Inside is another word series. Is life is 10% what happens to you and 90% how you react to it. It's very true. And again, here it says happy birthday, and note to for others to write their greetings. And this one is today's a day, and another note. And this one here says let's eat cake. And there's a cupcake here, and some words is do small things with great love. I don't know what's wrong with my tongue right now, something, because I have this pain near in my throat, so I can't, I feel like my tongue is not working very well right now. So I hope you still understand me, guys. And this space that says the best is yet to come, and this is the design. I really like the 3 design in here and some flowers in there. And another one is this one, and you can see the pretty tea sets here. And says have a wonderful day. Another one is this one, and you can see it's the same design that I put in the other cards. It says let it be, and it says here believe you can. And this one, you don't have to be perfect to be amazing, which is right. And one word is here is one, out of difficulties grow miracles. So it's full of so many words here that I'm sure every page it could be able to help the celebrants to be encouraged. So another thing is this one. It says happy birthday, and space here where I can put the name of the celebrants. And another words here, it's a kind of prayer. So it says here, dear Lord, when I look back on my life, I see how you have been my strength to get past some of the incredible hurdles I've faced. Sometimes I don't know how much great feats were achieved, but whether I win or lose, you have a plan and you are always there with me. Father, thank you for being the encouragement and strength in my life. You sustain me when I am tired. You gave me my very life, which is so encouraging, right? And another one, he says, start your day with a smile. And it's very pretty with the flowers there. And here it says, you are loved in every way. Live, laugh, and love. So just imagine if you're the one who's receiving this card and reading all those words and all the greetings and encouragement from your friends, for sure you will be, at least be happy in your birthday. It says, enjoying the good life. Here, have the most wonderful day. And this one, ice cream for ice cream. And it says here, reward yourself. And here is harvest love. And another scripture here says, the Lord is my rock and my fortress and my deliverer, my God, my strength, in whom I will trust, my buckler and the horn of my salvation and my high tower. In Psalm 18 verse 2. This, I think this is a different version. So that's what the cards that I made. I think they have 5 cards or 6 cards. I made 6 cards. Oh no, it's 5. It's 5. So another thing I want to share is this one, guys. I made this one for a friend, and this is like a album, or I don't know what you call it with this one, but it's made out of several kinds of envelope design. So before, we just have to get an envelope and design the envelope, the plain envelope, right? But this one, you just have to get your whatever stock paper that you have. Like for this one, I have this kind of paper, and of course by making an envelope you have to have this kind of tools. And since I have this envelope punch board, I was able to use as easy and as many as I can with the different kinds of sizes and envelope. For this size, I made it, the paper was sized by 10 by 10, and you can really see how you made that one there. So this one, as you can see, this is my design. So you can see that this one is another envelope, and so see, if you have noticed, like the cover was just inserted in here, so you just connect the envelope together. And I just put something inside, and I'm using the magazine. Some of the magazines is full of beautiful cupcakes. I made it into an envelope, and you can see there's a opening here, and I just put some goodies in here. So I find it very, very pretty, guys. The envelope with those cupcakes designed in there, which is so pretty to look at. So I just put some notes here, so it's up for her, if this will if she make this as a album or a I don't know what thing that she's going to use for this one. And another envelope here that I have some goodies in here, another magazine envelope that I formed in some goodies inside. So it's just this one. I find it so pretty, guys, because of the design. So for those who has so many magazines they haven't used, instead of throwing it or giving it to somebody, you can use it by just by doing these things. So I made it into like an envelope for me. And this one I have designed it with just says hello beautiful with a flower in it, where you can tuck something in there. So I tucked the notes in here that I may write for her. And another thing in here, another envelope, I just inserted a sticker in there inside. And I created another pocket and put some words that says be the change you want to see in the world. And inserted a big tag says hello sunny day. And another envelope here. So as you notice, this is the last one. So instead of the other side, in order for it to cover, so you just have a double envelope facing together. So I put some goodies. I put little envelopes in here, small envelopes also here, and I put another sticker in there, as a planner sticker inside. So I'm just showing you that this is more easier to make because you don't need to just design the envelope, and you just get envelope and design it again with some paper, because that's what I made before. This one is just automatic. You just have to combine everything and that's it. So this is one of the things that I made. Again, I just put a closure in here. This is how I made it. And I put just, this book belongs to somebody, so it's up to her how to write that one there. So this will go to somebody, some dearest friend of ours here in YouTube. So I hope she would be happy receiving this one. So I also made another one, and this one is not yet done, but I'm gonna show you that it's the same thing. It's a different kind of envelope that we're going to combine here, and there's no need to design again because you're just using a design paper already. And so this is the end one. So I just put a cupcake in here, so I still have to design this one. So bottom line, I made two still, but I want to make more. So comment down below if you like this kind of project. The last but not the least I want to show you is this one. As what I've said, I've been making some envelopes out of the magazine, which is full of cupcakes design, which is, I find it very very pretty. Like for this one, this is a cupcake, different kinds of cupcakes, and this is some of the ingredients and how to make it. And I just did put a seal in here, and there's some goodies inside. So this is one of the envelope that I made. Another one is I get a plain block. This is from Cox Cookies and Cakes. I think this is the title of the book. And since it's all black, I just designed it with the unicorn stickers that I have. And I still don't know what to decorate in here. So I'm just showing you that this is one of the envelopes that I made out of the magazines. Again, if you have some magazines that you haven't used, and instead of throwing it, and most especially if there's some very beautiful designs, then you can just make something out of it. And for me, I find it so pretty. Like for this one, and this is the cupcake, and this is what you call that, how you made this one. And this is a preserved ginger cupcakes, and this is the, what you call that, ingredients and how to make it. So I find it so pretty, guys. I don't know, just comment down below what you think about it. And I have another one here, and look at that. Looks yummy. So this is one of the things that I want to show you, that I'm just making envelope out of the magazines I have, and I find it so pretty because of all the, so this is the, again, the ingredients and how to make that. This is strawberry and cream cupcakes, this one. Just so pretty, guys. So that's it for now, guys. I'm just showing you what I made for this past few days, some project I made. I've been very busy making some cards. I already disposed 6 of them that I haven't shown you those things, so that's why I decided to just show this before I give this to those people, so I will have a remembrance from them, from these things that I made. So thank you guys for being with me today, and I hope you continue to support us. Thank you so much for those who have been supporting us, and for those who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and so you will see more of our videos that we do projects, we do different kinds of hauls, and of course some secret giveaways if you want that. So again, looking forward to see you next time, and have a great day. Bye.